Do you think it makes sense to use the same AI algorithm for all pro players? Let's say if we have a tournament, or would it make more sense to, let's say there are pro players and you take recordings from those pro players, and the AI would eventually learn from those recordings and then be like a personalized AI they have to play against?
This is another direction that we will pursue. And think about you are a pro player and you want to train yourself because there is an incoming tournament in 3 months. So what do? You first of all, you cannot play against the standard computer, because the standard computer is, at some point you start to exploit its weaknesses. Okay. You can play online, multiplayer online, but at some point, again, if you're a pro player, it's hard for you to find good sparring partners, And so this is where, again, another option for the future that we also have in mind is creating something to train good people, or let me say, even not only good people, also to train people in general, creating a customized opponent so that you will face something that will bring you to improve every time. So, it will learn your weaknesses. It will also show you your weaknesses, telling you, now, look, when you do this, you are always losing, for example. So try to improve this aspect. And providing opponents that are customized for you, and so that they will make you become a better player. So that's definitely one option, of course.